Yes, ma'am.
So what was the second question, beta? Draft an invitation on behalf of Mr. and Mrs. Raj Karan of 38 Kamal Kunj, Varanasi, which they may use to invite their friends and relatives on the 5th anniversary of the son Nikhil at their residence on 28th December. Now you can change the date, okay? 20th November we can put, okay? If you want to, it's not necessary. So how have you drafted? किस तरह से draft करा है?
In informal letter.
Informal. Aishwarya,
Yes, ma'am.
why informal?
Ma'am, for family and friends, so this would be informal.
अरे it's not informal. Informal तो होता personally आप किसी particular को letter लिखते. You cannot write if the name would have been mentioned to your friend, okay, Rahul or any other name, तो informal होता ना. Friends and relatives को लिखना है, मतलब if you are having 20 friends and relatives or 30 friends and relatives, you are not going to write an individual letter to each one of them, will you?
No, ma'am.
फिर और वैसे भी हम किसको इनवाइट करते हैं बेटा? हमारे फ्रेंड्स और रिलेटिव्स को ही करते हैं ना. इनफॉर्मल लिखेंगे जो हमारे बहुत नियर और डियर वंस हैं, उन्हें इनफॉर्मल लेटर लिखा जाएगा ऑफ इनविटेशन. क्लियर और नो? डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड.
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आया? तो ये तो बिल्कुल वो बात है, कॉमन सी बात है कि यू आर गोइंग टू इनवाइट योर फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स. इसमें ये नहीं लिखा है कि यू हैव टू इनवाइट योर फ्रेंड, है ना, कोई नाम साक्षी सुमित उसको इनवाइट करना है, तो देन इट वुड हैव बीन एन इनफॉर्मल या इनविटेशन लेटर फॉर योर अंकल और आंट और मौसा मौसी बुआ फूफा व्हाटएवर, ओके, तो होता है ना इनफॉर्मल. समझ गई ऐश्वर्या?
Yes,
It
ma'am.
would be what? The formal letter. Letter means the formal invitation that would be printed on the card. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
इसको हमने कैसे लिखा? How did you write it? Sumit?
Ma'am,
हाँ
Yes,
ऐश्वर्या.
ma'am.
Have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't lie, okay? झूठ नहीं बोलना है.
Ma'am, I can show you.
Okay. So what have you written, Sumit? Hmm? What have you written? You just read it out, beta. Okay, it's beautifully written. Read it out.
Mr. and Mrs. Raj Karan
Hmm.
announced the birthday of Nikhil,
Hmm.
their son, in 38 Kamal Kunj, Varanasi.
Okay.
5th birth anniversary on Friday, the 28th of December 2006 at 7:30 p.m. All are invited wholeheartedly. Do come to bless the little one.
इतना सारा तो 50 वर्ड्स क्रॉस कर जाएगा ना.
No, ma'am.
अच्छा. Who else? Sakshi, have you written? Aishwarya Mundra, have you written? Arihan?
Sorry, ma'am. I have
Yes,
not
ma'am,
done it.
I have.
Acha, Aishwarya, you just read it out.
Mr. and Mrs. Rajkaran request the pleasure of your presence on the auspicious occasion of the 5th birth anniversary of their son Nikhil at their residence 38 Kamalkunj Varanasi on 20th December 20 and mobile number.
Okay. And time? Any time they can visit. Time?
Ma'am, I forgot to mention
You
it 8
forgot.
a.m.
Okay. So it would be like I'm going to send you the pic of it, okay? लेकिन अभी हमें कैसे करना है उसको, this we can discuss. Who are the ones who are inviting Mr. and Mrs. Rajkaran? Okay, on the top line, and where it will be placed, you know these words, just in the center. Second line, request the pleasure of your benign presence. Second line, then third line, what is the occasion? On the auspicious occasion of the, then fourth line in bold letters, fifth birth anniversary. Okay. Then fifth line mein off, sixth their son. It should be a nice this thing. And then in bold letters Nikhil. And then next lines at the residence. Next line 38. What is the address? Kamal Kunj Varanasi. Next line time at 4:30 p.m. or 5 p.m. whatever it is. Okay. Next line on. And the last line, the date, 20th December, as it is given in the question, fine, you can write down the same date also. 20th December and 20 and then 2x, okay? And on the left-hand side, RSVP in capital and put a dot among these letters. Niche, Mr. and Mrs. Rajkaran and phone number. Clear?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of RSVP?
Response to.
What, ma'am?
The next question is, what is the, I had given you only one, this thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only one I had given you? Or
Yes, ma'am.
okay, one. Then take one more. See, children, I'm going to give you, some of the questions, okay? You try to do them on your own. ठीक है? उसके बाद
Yes,
I'll send
ma'am.
you, I'll send you on your WhatsApp group and on the school app. समझ में आया? तो आप टैली कर सकते हैं, क्रॉस चेक कर सकते हैं. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I give you?
Yes, ma'am.
और जरूरी नहीं है RSVP आप उस पर्सन को ही लिखें. It could be any family member, it could be friends also, it could be relatives also. ठीक है? RSVP समझ में आ गया ना? अरे अभी मैंने बताया ना, please response to.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
write down the next question. And one more important thing, the language, you know, this requests the pleasure of a benign presence or your company on the auspicious occasion of these two lines can be similar, okay? उसको हम किसी भी अच्छे occasion के लिए लिख सकते हैं, for marriage, for wedding anniversary, for silver jubilee, okay? For some mundan, for some other religious functions उसके लिए. समझ गए? So these two lines you can repeat if you want to. Question बोलूं मैं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write down. Mr. and Mrs. K.S. Bharadwaj. Mr. and Mrs. K.S. Bharadwaj has planned to hold the wedding of their daughter. Mr. and Mrs. K.S. Bharadwaj has planned to hold the wedding of their daughter Nivedita, at Hotel 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 Paradise, P capital, okay, comma, New Delhi, on 2nd December 2nd December, then 2000, and you know how to write it, 20 plus 2x, okay, at 8 p.m. Written at 8 p.m. Write a formal invitation on write a formal invitation inviting guest to the auspicious occasion. Full stop, word limit 50. Word limit 50. Written? So how will you write it? How will you write it? How will you begin?
Mr. and Mrs. Bharadwaj.
Okay. Mr. and Mrs. K.S. Bharadwaj.
Inviting you.
Not inviting.
Announcer.
You are going to request.
Okay, ma'am.
What I said, you can repeat the lines, okay, that you had written in the above invitation. You're requesting the pleasure, of the company of the guest. So for this, how will you write? Request the pleasure of your company on the auspicious occasion, okay, of the marriage of their daughter Nivedita. Got it? In brackets, you can also mention granddaughter of, okay? मालूम है ना कैसे mention करा जाता है? With Akhilesh के बाद fresh line में you are going to mention son या grandson of Mr. and Mrs. so and so. Okay? On, then the day, you can mention any day, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, comma. What is the date?
2nd December.
The 2nd December, and then 20 plus 2x, then at, what is the place?
Hotel Paradise.
Paradise, comma, New Delhi, okay? And then after this, you can mention the programs also. Programs mention होते हैं ना marriage card में.
Yes,
ठीक है? तो आप mention कर सकते हैं programs. Friday the 2nd of December उसके कर सकते हैं, उससे पहले के कर सकते हैं, right? लेकिन इसमें mention करा हुआ है only of the day on which the marriage will take place, Friday, comma, the 2nd of December 2020, मतलब जो भी है, इसमें है reception of Bharat 8 p.m, dinner 9 p.m onwards, wedding ceremony मीन्स फेरे वगैरह वो सब 11 PM to 12 या 1 जो भी है, you can write down. Clear or not? And then
मैम
this
वर्ड
में
लिमिट मैम वर्ड लिमिट एक्सेस हो जाएगी ना इसमें?
नहीं होगी, करके देखना। और तुम्हें लगे वर्ड लिमिट एक्सीड हो रही है तो शॉर्ट में यू कैन राइट डाउन। ओके,
ओके मैम।
एंड देन इसमें ये भी लिखा है डोली, यू नो व्हाट इज डोली, विदाई कब होगी। इसमें लिखा है सैटरडे
Yes.
कॉमा, है ना, द नेक्स्ट डे 3rd December यू कैन पुट एंड द टाइम एंड देन RSVP, गॉट इट। RSVP में कोई फर्म है उसका नाम लिख सकते हैं आप, कोई शॉप है, कोई इंडस्ट्री, कोई फैक्ट्री, नहीं तो एनी नेम यू कैन राइट डाउन, नेम ऑफ द फैमिली मेंबर, और जो भी ये कार्ड भेज रहे हैं उनका नाम भी लिख सकते हैं, राइट, विद द एड्रेस एंड फोन नंबर्स। और राइट हैंड साइड में और डाल सकते हैं विद बेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स फ्रॉम, ओके,
मैम
और
आप एक बार आंसर भेज दो।
यदि हम नेम्स मेंशन करेंगे बहुत सारे तो वी आर गोइंग टू क्रॉस द वर्ड लिमिट, राइट। तो सबसे बेस्ट क्या होता है, विद बेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स फ्रॉम ऑल रिलेटिव्स एंड फ्रेंड्स। समझ में आया?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
You got it or not, everyone?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
यस मैम।
So this you are going to draft. I'll just send it to you on the WhatsApp group. ठीक है? और possible होगा तो I'll just upload it on your this thing school app also. Clear? Take
Yes,
one
ma'am.
more question.
Yes, ma'am.
Take one more question. You are a student of Newton Public School, comma Nagpur. Be fast in writing. You are a student of Newton Public School, Nagpur. Full stop. The school is holding its annual function. The school is holding its annual function on Saturday, comma, on Saturday, the 15th December, the 15th December, comma, and 2000 and the same thing, at 4 p.m. Full stop. The HRD minister, Dr. M.M. Joshi, the HRD minister, Dr. M.M. Joshi, has consented to be the chief guest, Okay, draft an invitation card. Draft an invitation card to be sent to the parents and other invitees. To be sent to the parents and other invitees. Written, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So how will you write it? The beginning line, I'll just read it out, okay? The principal, staff and students of Newton Public School, Nagpur solicits the pleasure of your company on the auspicious occasion of the annual function of the school at time Okay, on means day, Saturday or Sunday, whatever. Then the date, the 15th December 2020. And then in a fresh line, Dr. M.M. Joshi, comma, HRD Minister, comma, Government of India, has consented to be the chief guest and to give away the prizes. Or you can also write, will be the chief guest and give away the prizes to the students. RSVP, principal, then uske niche Newton Public School, comma Nagpur, and then the phone number. Clear or not?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you better draft it and I'll send it to you on the WhatsApp. Okay? And if possible, more questions and with the examples. Okay? I'm going to send it. Solved ones. Clear, beta?
Yes.
Yes,
Two we had done and two I have given to you right now. Two we have done
Yes, ma'am.
and two more I have given today. Better do
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
चलिए ठीक है.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, beta.
Thank
God
you,
bless
ma'am.
you all.
Thank you.